Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you a very, very nice tractor. And bear with me here, I sprained my ankle and I'm wearing shoes and I got a soft cast on, so you have to bear with me as I limp through these next few videos we do. 2012 Kubota L5740 cab tractor. So this is the tractor that everybody wanted but can't afford, or couldn't afford I should say at the time. 57 horsepower, it's 59 horse gross, 57 horsepower, engine horsepower, non-emissions. This is a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, cab heat air, auto throttle, LA854 quick attach front loader with skid steer quick attach, 584 one owner hours. This belonged to a doctor out of Bedford, Pennsylvania who is selling off some of his stuff, and I was lucky enough to buy a few pieces. Really nice piece here, very well cared for, was kept inside. In the tractor we did 100% full service on it. All filters and oils have been changed. It is 100% ready to go to work. It is all original paint, and it is a very straight, clean piece. You will see some of these, what they're asking for these was 1,500, 1,800, 2,000 hours. It's almost crazy. I feel I'm going to be priced very in line for what this tractor is. You can't buy something like this today in non-emissions, so keep that in mind. We're going to start here right underneath the engine compartment, and we're going to take it completely around this tractor. So, in the engine compartment of this tractor, you are going to find this is going to be powered by a Kubota. It should be a V2403 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It starts and runs excellent with no abnormal noise, smoke, nor blow by. We did do a full service engine, transmission, fuel filters, air filter, actually both air filters have all been done. And again, this is a non-emissions engine. This just has a turbo on it, and I mean, what a cool tractor. These tractors have such an awesome sound to them. You will see here on the hood, hood is very nice and straight, couple small scuffs, but a very nice clean straight hood. Front grill guard, what does that suck? 72-inch front loader bucket, skid steer quick attach. Again, LA854 quick attach front loader. Tractor set up with R4 tires. This is their Grand L cab. Coming here to the back, category 2 3-point hitch on this side of the tractor. Easy links here. It does have the easy pins here for the drawbar, or for the 3-point hitch arms, so that you can adjust in and out quickly. Drawbar, I don't know that he ever had, but a couple things on the drawbar. You'll see here on the PTO, probably only used a few times, very nice and clean. Factory top link is there with it. Does have the rear windshield wiper and the rear defroster and the side defrosters. That is an option. Had the optional rear work lights. We did change the upper cabin filter. On the rear, 17.5 L24s. Up front to 10.16.5. Match tightens. Tires are going to be about 85 to 90%. There's still the little tits are sticking on the tires. We'll let you in the cab here. I'm going to head to the, excuse me, the other side. This tractor is going to have, again, front and rear wiper. It is cab, heat, air, AM/FM radio. This tractor has the HDS system, so it's going to have low, medium, and high, and then it has a high and low of each range. So it's 3-speed, but it's truthfully a 6-speed transmission, which is, this transmission, once you run it, people will love it. It is it has the HST mode, where it has stall mode in it. You can change your response time over here, which I'm going to hop up in and show you right now. It has cruise control, joystick loader control. And shut this door. So, tilt steering wheel. We're going to turn the key on and show you. 584 hours. We'll go ahead and depress my clutch pedal. The Kubota is a fully hydrostatic tractor. It does have a clutch disconnect pedal. So, you can take here, you'll see, you have what is called the auto throttle. So I'll take my foot, and you can see that's revs the tractor up. Forward and reverse. It's right over here. Now I can shut that off, and you can use your hand throttle. But once you use this auto throttle, it is the slickest thing out there. So you do have over here, you have your different stall modes. You can turn the stall guard on. You can turn the auto mode on. I like to run it in the high-low for the HDS. Tilt wheel, all your different lights. You have your cab, heat, air all up here. AM, FM radio, it's a Jensen, excuse me, Jensen heavy duty radio. You have your cruise control here, low, medium, and high, 4-wheel drive in and out. Independent brakes, PTO. I'm going to hand the camera back over to Matt. What we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put her in 4-wheel drive here. I'm going to put it through all its gears, run it for you, run it all around. Show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. hard pressed to find a nicer tractor. This is a very, very nice tractor. It's a 2012. We verified it. It is a 100% pre-emissions tractor. That stuff is getting harder by the day to find. It is something that is very nice. It is very straight, very clean. If you want a tractor that's 57 horsepower in that size, this thing packs a pile of punch. And it's right here, it's right in time this year. Snow season's here. There'll be guys looking for stuff for snow removal. It's cab, heat, air, AM, FM radio. Once you run that auto throttle, you'll probably never go back to a tractor that doesn't have it. It is such a nice feature that Kubota has on that a lot of other manufacturers do not have anything like it. This tractor, the chassis of this tractor, and I'm sure I'll be corrected by all the keyboard warriors in the world, but this would be the same tractor chassis that an M59 is built after. It's going to be the same engine turbo setup, hydrostatic transmission setup that they used in the M59 with obviously some other differences. But that setup is just an absolute perfect setup for a tractor. So if you're looking for something out there with big horsepower and a compact size, there it is. Something to take a look at. Please understand, non-emissions, no DPF, no urea, 57 horse tractor, cab, heat, air. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. We have all the books and manuals here for it. It is 100% service, 100% ready to go to work just as we state. I don't pull any punches. We tell it the way it is. The tractor's been wash, waxed, and detailed, and is a very, very nice piece. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066.